crafting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a brand new awesome release from ColorIt called Colors of the Jungle. Now you guys know, if you've been around the channel a while, that I'm a big fan of ColorIt coloring books. They have sent me a fair few for review now, including this one, and I am consistently impressed with the quality of their binding, the quality of the printing, the quality of their paper. And so I'm super excited to show you another one. Now, they did recently reach out to me and ask if I would be interested in becoming a ColorIt affiliate because I love partnering with companies that I already love. Of course, I said yes. You guys can find links and all the information down in the description, of course, including a link to this awesome new release. But what that partnership really means is that I'll be showing you some really cool new releases on the regular, and that's gonna be so much fun. Of course, I get a small commission when you use that link, but as always, you're helping a girl pay her student loans, and I really appreciate it. Now, today's voice is brought to you by my boss's dog at work. I've been doing vocal warm-ups here for about 20 minutes, and this is as good as it's gonna get today. La 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 la. It's not getting any better. It just isn't. So this is what we're stuck with today. I apologize. The allergies are strong. So let's take a tour of some of my favorite bits. I love ColorIt's hard covers. I can take this in the living room. I can sit on my couch. I can color while I'm watching Netflix. It's amazing. So that's item one that I love about ColorIt. Item two I love. They always have this awesome table of contents where they list every page in here, and in this case, what kind of animal is listed. So if you're into coloring scientifically accurate renditions of your jungle creatures, this is what you need. All right, a really nice title page with our parrot. Another thing I love, they always include a blotter page in every book. And because all of these pages are top perforated, you can tear this out and stick it in between, underneath. There are all kinds of uses. And then they give you some really cool inspiration color palettes here, which is really fun too. Let's get into the pages. So I'm just gonna kind of flip through at a few second intervals. I want to hear as I go through what your favorite page might be. I know which one my favorite page is, so I want to see if we agree. It's a big variety. That one's in my top three, for sure. I love owls. Owls are amazing. I love how they always put a mixture too of landscape and portrait orientation pictures. So there's a little of each. Scary alligator. Those cranes are pretty. Okay, that might be in my top three too, just because I think those cranes are so lovely. Some hyenas. So if you are into maybe a little more advanced coloring, that page gives me the shivers. I'm not a snake person. Are you guys a snake? Are you guys snake people? I have a friend who has pet snakes, and I try not to insult them because I feel like she loves them like I love my cat, probably. Oh, look at those cute little guys. So I was saying before I interrupted myself, if you guys are into a little bit more advanced illustration with a little more detailed line work, this might be a great book for you. Although I don't think that coloring animals necessarily has to be hard. I think we can approach it just like any other page and just have a lot of fun with it. Oh, those elephants are really cool. I can see like a sunset scene with these elephants. That'd be so fun. So fun. Really cool variety of creatures here. I wouldn't say all jungle. There are some savanna creatures as well. If you're not a spider person, shield your eyes. I think spiders are kind of cool though when they don't surprise me. I can do spiders, not snakes. That guy's cool. Is that a pangolin? Is that what that guy is called? He's cool. Got some parrots. There's a lot of landscape orientation pages in this book. Some hippos there. Those are cool. This one would be really fun to add some of your own background on. Sometimes background coloring is really relaxing, I think. I'm digging all these butterfly pages. That's really fun. Really fun. So many different kinds of animals. That's awesome. Oh, that's really pretty. So here's a page where you could use some realistic color schemes, of course, but you could also use some fantasy color schemes, some creative ones. All right, you guys. This is my #1 page with the African swallowtail on it. Yes. That's going to be my first one. My cat just came to life because the only time he ever wakes up is when I'm filming something. That's what all the background noise is. He's got his collar making noise. The frogs! I really like the frogs too. Okay, it might go so far. The butterfly, the frogs, the owls. Then maybe the elephants? Hard to choose though. I really like the parrots too. And then these guys are awfully cool. Really cool animals. We have a huge variety of creatures. Yes, we do. That's super cool. Ooh, I really like that one too. I don't know. So not every kind of bug bothers me. I guess that's what comes from growing up on a farm, right? You get a lot of experience with nature. Positive and negative sometimes. I'll have to do a whip and chat sometime where I tell you my disturbing farm stories. Really cool birds. Another fun background page there. Ooh, really fun. Really fun. I am so impressed with the quality of the illustrations in this book. This is going to be really, really fun to work on. So cute. And if you like foliage, leaves, flowers, there's plenty of that too, along with landscapes, of course, the animals themselves. Really fun. Oh, look, on that page you get to do the birds and some fish. That's really awesome. Really awesome. Some lions. Really fun. ColorIt, I'm really impressed as always. Beautiful illustrations, amazing quality. I'm going to be doing a tutorial or a color along in this book really soon, so be sure to check back for that. Again, check the description for all the links you might need to find this book, and I'll also put links to all the other books that I own in my ColorIt stash so that you can find those as well. I have shown you some really, really cool stuff here on the channel from this company, and it'd be great if you could find all of it. So with that, I'll wrap up today's flip through of Colors of the Jungle from ColorIt. Thanks so much for checking it out today. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.